Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to prepare LLB examination during pandemic time, during COVID-19 time. Everybody knows lockdown is happening continuously. There is no offline classes being conducted by college. So some of the colleges have been taken online classes and some of the colleges they don't have initiated to take online classes. So there is a big challenge for our students, LLB students. In this situation, all students have been confused what to do in the during situations. So I hope this video will going to help how to prepare your LLB examination during this pandemic time. So please don't make any tensions, be healthy and be at home. Any of colleges are not opened till up to COVID-19. Means it is continuously it is happening. Earlier year was also struggled our students a lot, and this year also many of the students are struggling what to do in this situation. Everybody get tensed, and even why? Because they don't have keep in touch with college and lecturers. So it, they have very much confusions. So that confusions it will be go if you watch my video. This is very important topic which I am advising now. Please be collect 5 years or 6 years previous question papers. Or else, if you watch my channel, I have prepared questions from first year to second year fully covered. Means 4 semesters have already published very important questions. For those questions, please be answers for yourselves. I think you have confusions that during this lockdown time we cannot get any materials like books. You, I think you have that confusions. Please don't do that because online, if you book in online, definitely you will reach the books within 1 or 2 days. So we have done it like that only. So please make online. Books will be available everywhere. If you make book online, they will be delivered at your doorsteps. So if you plan for Usha Jagannath, I will give one number. If you call them, immediately they will supply and they will make speed post. Speed cost, speed post cost will be bear by you, and they will tell about charges and they give even 15% discount of LLB books especially. So you can note down his number 9944839308. Once again I will repeat 9944839308. If you call, definitely he will help you out to deliver books at your home or house. So where there is a will, there is a way. So please, this is the right time to study at our home. Please be yourself. Please don't depend on colleges because during this pandemic time, nobody can help you in full-fledged manner. They can help you out in a partial so that also you can get advantages. But please be yourself. Please be prepared for yourself because after completion of pandemic, immediately KSL will be going to announce further semester examinations. So that is the reason this is the right time to write your own notes and prepare your own questions, or else you can watch my videos. You can get important questions. For that questions, you have to answer it. After completion of answers, you can go through and you can study. Even you can go through Usha Jagannathas also. You can go through Surya Regarao also. You can go through any kind of textbooks, we don't mind. And even the materials will be available in Google also. You can search and get it ready for your further examinations. So time is precious. My advice is to please manage the time. Don't be silly. Please concentrate on your studies, then only you can able to get pass. Otherwise you will be in trouble in future. After completion of if you don't complete in within a time bound, you will be in trouble and you will be get tension in future. So many of the students have not even completed their LLB examinations. They are struggling like anything. I'm seeing every day phone calls I'm getting. So please be study. Please utilize the time. Lockdown in the sense, don't be sit idle and don't play in at home or something like that. You have to prepare for yourself for your semester examinations. So if you have any concerns, if you required any advice, you take my number. You can call at any time. I will give advice what to do during the pandemic situation. So you can take my number 720 double four 52659. Once again, I will repeat 720 double four 52659. My intention is to live and let live policy. How to how to get pass, and you should also get pass. So my intention is to I'm giving service through this platform. Please get benefit my videos, all kind of videos. Please take benefit and please do forward my videos, and please do subscribe my channel who has not been subscribed my channel. Please do subscribe. I can give like these videos, plenty of videos. I can give best of best videos like LLB and motivation. Thank you.